The Federal and Pedesta Hospital jointly present the Kanyakumari Marathon 2025. This event is co-presented by Rojavanam International School. Run for Health on Sunday, May 4. Entry is free and all are welcome. The Supreme Court judges on Wednesday were kept quite busy. They were busy hearing petitions challenging the recent changes to the Waqf Act. On day one, the court has posed tough questions for the central government. The court raised an objection to the removal of waqf-by-user. This is a category that acknowledges mosques, graveyards, and other waqf properties in public use for centuries without formal deeds. What does the new law say? The new law mandates that every waqf must be registered, but the judges question how this could apply to properties that are hundreds of years old, especially when they were never documented before British land laws. Under the amended law, a property stops being treated as waqf as soon as a government official, the collector, begins questioning whether it is government land. The bench questioned this logic. What happens during the years of enquiry? Does a religious site lose its identity until an officer makes a decision? The court flagged this as unfair and legally problematic. When the government justified allowing non-Muslims on Waqf boards and councils, Chief Justice Khanna posed a pointed counter-question. If religious boards are to be inclusive, will Hindus allow Muslims to manage Hindu temples too? The court reminded that under Article 26, every religious community has the right to manage its own religious affairs, including deciding who can be part of their religious boards. A controversial clause in the amendment allows the state to override court judgments that previously declared certain properties as waqf. The Chief Justice made it clear, Parliament cannot simply overrule past court rulings by passing new laws. The law can change, but it cannot undo a court's judgment. This, the court warned, crosses a constitutional red line. The amended law states that only someone who has practiced Islam for 5 years can create a waqf. The court found this deeply troubling. Does this mean the state will verify a person's religious credentials? Will it determine how religious someone is? Lawyers argued that this amounts to government overreach into matters of faith and could violate basic religious freedoms. As hearings continue, the court has not passed an interim order yet. However, it has proposed 3 major directions: protecting court-declared waqf properties, pausing the collector's powers under the disputed clause, and restoring Muslim-only membership to waqf boards. The Federal and Pedesta Hospital jointly present the Kanyakumari Marathon 2025. This event is co-presented by Rojavanam International School. Run for Health on Sunday, May 4. Entry is free and all are welcome.